Hey everyone, welcome back to Fit Fin Relate. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss any of our videos. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that I know affects a lot of people: coping and healing from a narcissistic romantic relationship. It's a topic that's both difficult and complex. If you're going through it, know that you're not alone and that recovery is possible. Not a substitute for professional advice. Before we get started, it's crucial to note that the advice given in this video should not replace professional help. If you find yourself in a relationship that's emotionally or physically abusive, seek help from a qualified mental health professional or a trusted person in your life. Identifying the signs. First off, let's identify the signs that you're in a relationship with a narcissist. Not all narcissists are the same, but some common traits include lack of empathy, constant need for admiration, sense of entitlement, manipulative or exploitative behavior, belittlement of others. These characteristics often manifest in behaviors like gaslighting, emotional withdrawal, and making you feel like you're never enough. In some cases, these traits may not be apparent at the start of a relationship. Narcissists can be very charming and manipulative, making it hard to see their true nature until you're deep into the relationship. How to get out safely. If you've identified that you're in a relationship with a narcissist, the next question usually is, how do I get out? Here are some steps you can consider. Consult a professional. Confidentiality is key. Seek professional guidance before taking any drastic steps. Establish boundaries. Make it clear what behavior you will not tolerate. However, prepare for pushback. Plan logistics. If you live together, sort out the living arrangements. Plan your finances and get all important documents in order. Build a support network. Surround yourself with friends and family who can offer emotional and, if necessary, financial support. The main goal is to leave safely, both emotionally and physically. Ensure you consult professionals and have a strong support network. The emotional toll and initial healing steps. The emotional toll of leaving a narcissistic relationship can be overwhelming. But, it's crucial to remember, healing takes time. Here's how you can start. Go no contact. Cut off all forms of communication, if possible. Seek therapy. Work with a mental health professional who can provide coping mechanisms tailored for you. Journal your thoughts. Writing can offer an incredible therapeutic outlet for your emotions. The point here is to break the emotional tie and give yourself the space to heal. The long road to recovery. Once you've taken the initial steps, you may still find yourself dealing with the emotional aftermath. Recovery is a long road, and it's okay to seek ongoing therapy and support. Self-compassion. Stop blaming yourself for the relationship's failure. You're not the one who exhibited toxic behavior. Build your self-esteem. Reconnect with your hobbies and interests. Rebuild your sense of self-worth. Healthy relationships. Learn the red flags and educate yourself on what a healthy relationship should look like. Remember, recovery isn't linear. You'll have good days and bad days, but each day is a step forward. Coping and healing from a narcissistic relationship is tough, but it's absolutely possible. Invest in your well-being and don't rush the process. We hope that this video offers you some guidance and comfort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. We'll be back with another video soon. Take care. As always, thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.